Yan ang birthday.
Yan.
Yan ang celebrant natin guys, si Camila. Camila.
Camila. Happy birthday.
Yan, happy birthday. Yan. Ito ang bisita ni Camila na guys. First nakabisita. Yan. Yan, bisita ni Camila sa birthday. Single ito guys. Kung sino yung naghahanap ng kanyan, mama. Mungkin siya nagpangitag mama. Yan. Ito si Kate, yung bisita niya. Ito na guys yung lasagna guys. Diba? Punong-puno dyan Ano mo dyan? Ang lasagna. Ito naman ang crab with prawn. Ayan. Sa ilalim yan, crab. Tapos ginisa lang yan ng bawang at saka sibuyas at saka luya. Ngayon linagay niya na yung kalabasa. Tapos ngayon linagay niya na yung prawn. Yan, prawn na yan guys. Yan ang handa ni Camila ngayon. So kainan naman ito guys. Yan. Ito mga bisita niya guys. Ito na lang lulutuin, papait. Alright guys, so ito na yung linuluto ni Jan na pangpapaitan. Yan, sibuyas, tapos bawang, luya. Yan yung papait, tapos gisahin niya lang. Normal na paggisa.
Normal, basta mag-isa.
Ito yung chef natin ngayon guys. Yan.
Hello guys.
Tapos ito ngayon linuluto niya kung ano, mix. Ginataang crabs pala guys. At saka hipon. Yan yung kanya. Yan yung mga gulay niya. Yan. Tapos ito, malapit na to lasagna. Nearly. Yan. Shout out. Ito guys, ito si Jingjing. Yan. Shout out dyan. Taga Tacorong yan siya guys.
Dati, pero ngayon guwapa sa London na.
Dati pinakagwapa daw sa Tacorong, ngayon sa London na siya.
Tawag na yan.
Yan. Baka may naghahanap dyan ng juwaoin.
Kuya, single.
Single yan siya guys. Baka may gustong
Palaksin. Single, manggaling.
Ito si triple. Ito double cream. Alright. So, ito yung unang crabs na may hipon. Ayan tignan mo. Parang Mount Everest kataas. Yan. Ang nagluto yan ito. Siya ang nagluto yan, si Banje.
Ako lang ang nagtikim.
Kakulay ang damit. Yellow. Tapos ito, luto na to. Patay na luto na. Isa na lang ang lulutuin ni Jan.
Dito na natin siya ilagay.
Na guys, linuluto na ni Jan yung papaitan guys. Yan. Kinamay na.
Sakol na.
Naggisa lang yan siya ng bawang, sibuyas at saka luya dyan.
Dali na to.
Tapos yan. Yan na. Yan lang simple lang. Pero rock yan. Kung sino yung nakakilala kay Jan, si Ma'am. Ayan shout out sa mga taga-Tapayan, Sultan Mastura. Shout out kay Mark. Si Mang. Galuto ng papaitan. Yan di ba?
Tapan natin para
mabilis. Sa happy birthday kay Camila, ito yung kanya. Ito yung tarpaulin. Ayan. Banner. Banner na lang. Banner. Banner. Alright guys, ito na guys.
Masabi niyo.
Oh.
Ayan na siya.
Yan, nandito na si Pelmang siya, kasama na ako. Oh. Wala nang likram mo yan ha. Dito na ako. Ayan, shout out.
Miss Universe ng Iloilo.
Ayan guys, shout out sa mga taga-Tacorong dyan. Ayan, shout out kung saan man kayo naroroon. Ayan. Taga Iloilo? Ikaw taga Iloilo ka?
Iloilo.
Oh, taga Iloilo din siya. Shout out din. Oh.
Ginahingat lang.
Magkanta ka, te. Joking na siya.
Hala.
Ano pa katay mo sa Tibansi?
Magkanta ka, te.
Hala. Hala. Maya.
Di ba ano,
Alright guys, ito na si Camila. Happy birthday Camila. Ayan, happy birthday. Ayan po guys. Happy birthday.
Tita Arlene, you don't want to take a photo with Tita Arlene and family, yeah?
Come on now, all
Now go. Okay.
Akin na ako mag-shot face.
I-picture mo nga sila kuan. Ayan guys, yan. Happy birthday Camila. Yan si Camila guys. Birthday. Happy 9th birthday.
Happy birthday, Camila.
Tapos na?
Yan.
Oo, kayo.
Alright guys, yan. Happy birthday. Yan. Come on, Banji. Come on now. Come on now.
Sama tayo.
Go.
Family.
Okay.
Big family.
Alright. Yan. Happy birthday.
Sa taas.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Uy, happy birthday guys. Yan. Kasyang-kasya. To you. Happy birthday to you.
Akala ko ba picture?
Mababa.
Hindi makita.
Hindi yun bataan.
Ipasahin ko pa dito.
Yan. Yan. Happy birthday. Pero wala man tayo.
May picture yan?
Wala. Hey, happy birthday! Alright, picturean ko kayo.
Yan na.
Nakarecord yan eh.
Oh, picture. Sandalo. Hello, what is it? How is this? How to picture this? Alright, go. Here I go.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile. Another one. Ready? 1, 2. Alright.
Yun yan sa YouTube.
Camila, picture. Take a photo with Rihanna. Okay, you. I want a nice photo of you too. Why like that? Don't lean back.
Close each other. Pwede man sila, no? Come this side.
Okay.
Camila.
Happy birthday to you.
Camila, okay, 1. Okay.
Happy birthday.
Okay. Magkano?
Alright guys, come on.
One each.
Ayan.
Crystal edition. Yeah. Crystals on the bottom.
Crystal, come on now. Kaya mag-eat na tayo. Chris.
Camila, we're gonna put that.
Okay, so, share. Matama siya.
Happy birthday, Camila. Ayan.
Mga din.
Say happy birthday, Camila.
Happy birthday, Camila!
Say happy birthday to Camila.
Happy birthday, Camila.
Say happy birthday, Camila.
Happy birthday, Camila.
Jing, happy birthday to Camila. Happy birthday to Camila. Ayan. Happy
birthday, Camila. We love you.
Happy birthday, Camila.
Yan.
Say happy birthday to Camila.
Alright guys, so happy birthday to Camila. Yan, ito si Camila. Oh. Camila, come on, Camila. Yan, happy birthday Camila. Say hello.
Thank you.
Yan. Ito na yon si Kwan, Daddy Camila. Daddy Ferdinand, malaki na. Oh. Alas parehas na kami.
Sa Makindo, Monday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Camilo.
Alright. Crystal, you. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Camila.
Halika na nga ron. Kaya mag-eat na tayo, Crystal. Alright.
Alright, banana. Banana.
Alright guys, mag-eat na tayo guys. Okay, okay.
Apple and banana.
Alright guys, happy birthday.
Bye.
Smile. Yahoo!
Go!
You want to join? Okay, join. Why? Okay. It's okay. Come on.
Okay.
One, isa one is my 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, happy birthday. Say, so happy birthday to Camila.
3. Sana.
Okay, yan po. Mga magkakasin. Isa.
Pulutan namin ito ni John.
Sabi, have you finished eating, yeah? Kain.
Tapos ka ba?
Who's here?
Tapos ka ba ka?
Who's here? Huh? You don't know them?
Sino? Kana.
Ate.
Magkapantas papitan.
Kung hapangan ka ni Kuya.
Oy,
Ato pa ka na ni Kwan. Tanong ito ni Kate.
Mongs, dali na, kain na. Isa na natin.
Yeah.
Sit down. Camila.
Ha? Okay, kami now.
Very good yan. Very good yan ba?
Coke Jing.
Yan, ito sa'yo.
Tulog ka na.
Kaya ibigay mo sa kanya yung isa. Yung isa sa kanya na. Come on. Grabe ang luto ni Jan.
Kate mong tututay ka ng pa. Kaya pa ka na. May makalaswan na. Sikat ka na ng makalaswan. Mamu mga pila yun na. Ano to? Sampai malapit din ako.
Sa may...
Mansyon, may wala na, may pala, katabo-tabo na. Paano bubuk mo? Ha? Sabi.
Basta naman sila. Basta. Hoy. Okay, sit down, okay? Sit down. Up. Kaya na. Stop. If we eat, can you help me eat? Yeah?
Day to you.
Save that one for now.
Happy birthday to you.
Bigyan ka naman.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday
Happy birthday
to you.
Laban ng gabi, napalo na yung drink ko. To you.
Happy birthday, Camila! Okay, blow na ka na. Ang lakas naman.
Mahulog na yung cake. Kahit yung cake.
Yes.
Alright, okay.
Camilla? Come on, let's let the hear your wish. What's your wish again? Surprise. Tell me to wish. Huh? Okay, what's your wish?
Okay, yung gonna
Okay, you cut.
Yung gonna
So,
cut. Just cut like that and then where? Bismillah.
yes.
Okay. And then one more like that. No, not too big. Okay.
Wow.
Yay!
Okay.
Ah.
Okay. Yee-hoo. Okay. Okay, you want cake, Rihanna?
Yan ang cake niya guys. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Ano muna kung sino magkain? You want cake, Rihanna? Yan?
Okay, Camila, wait a minute. I'll give you.
Yeah. Maganda nga eh.
This one. This one.
Month ng birthday niya.
There.
Month ng kaarawan niya.
Oo nga.
Blessing si Camila.
Bliss lang nga.
Ito daw niya doon. Which part, Camila? Which part? Here. Why did you
Brad,
cut like that?
kaya mo sa Loton, number 9. 09. Kasi bless ng harapan niya na yung panyo.
Ginawa mo pang last
Sabay yan
week.
siya. Ng birthday. Birthday rin ni Papa ko ngayong araw.
Wait a minute, huh? Which one? This one, yeah? Which one? This one.
Alala.
Okay.
Alala.
What else?
Chocolate lang meron ko niya.
Rihanna.
Bye-bye.
Don't play.
Camila, careful upstairs, ha? Don't
Don't play the topic.
wait kay kuha na this, yeah?
Dalahan nyo yun nila sa taas. Ano?
Itsura pa lang ninyo.
Taas, narinig nyo sa CCTV.
Kuha lang tayo ng cake. Dalayin natin sa taas. Sabi
No,
nila.
walang space dito. Tingnan nyo, naka-prank kayo dyan sa
Well done, Marcela.
Gusto lang natin
How about
kayo
Ken?
panorin. Okay. How awesome.
Hi. Hello.
Iwasan nyo na yung plato nyo dun na. Bakit yung baba?
Wala kaming sabon.
Nice.
Madlawan.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I'm going now. I'll be back.
Ibaba lang namin.
Okay.
Muna kayo dito.
Balik na din sa
Bye-bye.
Balik sa
Happy birthday. Ito guys, si Mongs. Kung sino yung nakakilala sa kanya dyan sa Tapayan, Sultan Mastura.
Taga Kirkir Sultan Mastura.
Taga Kirkir pa nun.
Unahan lang ng Tuka.
Oh, sa may taga-tuka.
Si
Shout out.
Commander Mujahid.
Dating kagawad ng Kirkir Sultan Mastura.
Oh, dati gaga.
Scout Ranger ng M59 o Pepa. Ng Brigadier
Ganyan.
Abdullah.
Dating nagtuturo din sa elementarya ng Kirkir.
Kasama mo si Chat.
Oo nga.
Ha? Kasama niya pala si Chat guys. Ayan.
Andito na kami
Video.
sa iba yung dagat.
Ibang dagat na nakita-kita na kami dito sa London guys. Yan na andito si si Mongs. Yan naman ang kanyang misis sa likod. Oh, yan.
Bakit si Didi lang pinakita mo?
Saan pala? Ayan nga. Oh, ayan nga. Oh.
Sabihin mo, ex. Sabi mo.
Yan na yung first lady ko.
Oh, yan ang first lady ni Kuan Mongs.
Ibig sabihin, may third lady sa pang fourth.
Tatay tayo dito. Tatay.
Noro.
Marinig yan.
Nakulang si Nora.
Wala ka ng tayo niya. Ano ba? Teka lang mamaya.
Ibig sabihin na first lady.
May second, may third, may fourth.
Second lady ako, my first, my third. It's true.
Pero para sa akin, siyang first lady.
Ah, yun. Ge klaro, ge klaro. Si
Babalik ka sa tabi ni Nora. Kala mo sa taas ka na.
Kasi yung sumasahod ng 6
Kaya naging first lady.
ay, ayos ito na vlog ko ah. Alright guys, ito na si Camila. Mag-open na siya ng kanyang gift. Alala. Yan. Alaka. Wow.
Open it. Facing there, facing.
Yan oh. Wow, nice. What is that? Wow. Wow, very nice.
Atel.
Wow, what is that? Perfume?
Open it. Open it.
Lip balm. Oh. Lip balm as well. Oh, wow, nice. Ah, sige, card. Wow. Wow, very nice. Wow, 6. How many that? Wow. Bracelet, I think. I see. Oh, wow, it's nice. Bracelet, guys. Wow. Yan oh, ang ganda. Oh.
Oh, please, what is this? Uba. Okay. Just pull it back here. Open this one, this one. Last one. Wow. Oh,
What is it?
Kapibara. Okay, and you unopen it, the kapibara.
What is that capybara? What is capybara?
This is the kapibara. Okay. Oh, towel.
Ah, capybara. Wow, it's nice.
Kapibara towel. You can use this one in your swimming. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Say thank you.
What is this? Capybara?
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, another one.
Small things.
Wow, earring. They got earring, guys. Oh, look at.
Earrings.
Yan, earring. Yan.
Okay.
Very nice.
Can put it back. This one I think is more. Alright.
Wow, very nice one. Look at that. So many. Mm. Buba. Yan guys, oh. Ang dami. 6. Tapos may mother. The mother. Capybara.
You want to read this one? What is the routine here? Read it.
Oopsies.
That's for
Wow. Got card.
Today, yay. Dear Camilla, happy birthday. I hope you have the best day ever and a wonderful birthday. Happy nice birthday from Josh, Chloe, and Milo.
Wow, nice.
the 14. Okay, that's it.
That's it now, guys. Yan. Happy birthday to Camela.
Ano,
Yan.
naka-vlog ka pa rin?
Oh.
Alam na.
Papaalam na.
Lumaki na.
Paalam na kasi lumaki na. Oh. Babay na daw. Yan. See you.
Kids na lang sa mga mata sa sunod, okay?
See you na lang sa sunod.
Pagbalik niyo sa susunod.
Oo. Na, present ni Crystal at saka kay Ken. Wow! What's this?
New one. That's good for your eye.
Can you try it?
Wow. Wow. You look so pretty. Very clear.
Very clear.
Smile here.
Yeah.
Let me. Okay, have a look.
Ganda ah.
At klarong-klaro.
Try mo nga, Nay, nanay.
Hindi. Sinisiring ko. Ko na lang ko. Oh, you read your card first. Read your card. Oh,
Ayan.
tingnan mo yun. Wow! That's a pretty. You like it? Oh, you got card here. Okay, you got card in both. Oh, read the card now.
Wow.
Oh, wow, what's that?
Money.
You read it. No, no, no. You pick up one of your money.
Wow.
Thank you, Crystal. Oops. Oh, additional money. It's raining money here.
Money here.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
You got a lot of money now?
Yeah.
From Tita and Tito mo. Yeah.
Moms, yeah. From Rihanna
Ikaganap
family.
mo to your piggy bank.
From Rihanna family.
Wow. Happy birthday to Camela. Wow.
This is nice.
Ano to? Para,
Maybe ano-
iparap mo nga.
Kaya fishing to the account.
3D.
Ah, wow. Ay, ang ganda pala.
Oo, maganda siya.
Ang ganda.
So, where we gonna put that one? No, don't take it off yet. Ah, okay, okay, okay. Ayan, na hindi man sa akin. Bakit akong mag-vote hindi niya pala?
Ganda oh.
Nice. Wow, wow. That's
Thank you for
okay. Any message from Crystal and Ken?
Yeah.
What
Thank you.
else? Thank you so much for a lovely present.
Alright. Okay guys, yan na. Happy na si Canela.
Birthday ka happy.
Yan. Yan na nagtatapos ang kanyang party, guys. Alright, guys. Yan. Nagtatapos na ang party ni Camila. Yan. So, happy 9th birthday. Guys, so hanggang dito na lang ang aking video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Kaya don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comments down below. Bye-bye!
Kita.